Good morning everybody, Belinda here. I'm not sure I'm going to be using all of my colors, or how I'm going to be using all of my colors today. So I do have something in mind. We'll just see how that goes. So I'm putting quite a bit of my black. This is Mars black in the bottom. So I sort of have in mind what it is that I want. So my Mars black is mixed 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. This is silver. So I'm just using up my last bit of silver that I had mixed up. And I'm working on a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. So this is yellow. And I have red. I wasn't too sure. Actually, originally I wasn't going to use red. I had mixed up my paints last night, and then I decided that I needed a brighter color, so I mixed up the red. Just going to put a little bit of white in. I don't want too much white. So that blue is turquoise. Seems like my white is sinking, which ordinarily that's what it does. White does sink. And with the yellow, again I'm going to just finish off that yellow. Put some more of the blue in. There's turquoise. So I've been following the I'm sure a lot of people have, the virus outbreak, coronavirus. I really feel for everybody, and I hope everybody stays safe. I'm sure it's quite a trying and testing period for a lot of people. Alright, let's set that aside. Put some black down. And I'm just going to swish that around. Where did the cup go? Okay. Right. Let's see what magic we can get out of this cup today. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, here goes. I don't have any silicone in my paints. I'll just get that out in the meantime. So if there are any cells in here, it would just be the reaction of the various paints. I have a feeling that the silver creates the cells. So here's hoping I don't get cells. I can see some of them popping up already. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm just going to put down a little bit of black around here. That's just so I can move that paint quite nicely. And it doesn't roll over itself. Oops. I'm trying to move fast, and it's when you have some oopsies. I'm not taking my time like I normally do. I know that the neighbours are actually putting up a new fence today, so probably start this morning, and I don't really want all that noise while I'm videoing, so let's move it. Let's hope that this is going to come out relatively how I would like it to. So I'm just moving it backwards and forwards, or back and forth for now. I'm just going to take it off this edge here. There's a lot of paint on there and I don't want to lose all of it, so take some of it back to the center. Actually, I might, and instead of going off that way, I might just go off this way, see how that works. Let's just get to that corner first. Okay. I really like that blue, but I'm not going to be able to keep it. I can feel most of my paint is sitting on my right hand side. So I just want to bring it back again. Hopefully you guys are still in shot. Let's go with this corner here and come back. So I'm constantly watching my center there, because the center is really what I'm after, not so much the outsides. I see a lot of cells there and I'm really not keen on the cells. Go back that way. Just centering my paint again, and I think at this point I'm going to turn it around. It's pretty heavy, believe it or not. Okay. Make sure my paint is relatively in the center. And then I'm going to go straight off. I might just take it off there first. And bring it back. And go there. Now I'm bringing it back. I know you can't see at the moment. Right. Put it down for a bit. Let me just have a look. think I quite like that. I would have liked it to be a bit more this way. Although, in saying that, I think I like it like that. I just realized that my light is not on. Let me just see what's going on there. Rather late than never, right? I like that there. I don't mind that too much, and there's a lot of silver coming out, which is exactly where I wanted it to be. Okay guys, I'm going to touch up the sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. So this is it. It's been sitting for about half an hour and I'm absolutely loving all of these parts here. That red came out really nicely. I'm actually glad that I added it in. And all of these silver cells, that's what they are. So it actually looks like a night sky. It looks like a galaxy. All of these teeny little cells here are silver. And these bigger ones here, they're all silver as well. Okay guys, so thanks again for watching, subscribing, and your beautiful comments, all of your support. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. So this is it. It's been sitting for about half an hour and I'm absolutely loving all of these parts here. That red came out really nicely. I'm actually glad that I added it in. And all of these silver cells, that's what they are. So it actually looks like a night sky. It looks like a galaxy. All of these teeny little cells here are silver. And these bigger ones here, they're all silver as well. Okay guys, so thanks again for watching, subscribing, and your beautiful comments, all of your support. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.